Hi everyone and welcome. So, what is Ethereum? Let's make it simple. When you think of cryptocurrency, you probably think of Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is just digital cash. What if a digital platform could be much more? What if it was a worldwide, decentralized computer where anyone could build applications? That's what Ethereum is. It's not just a coin. It's the global, open-source platform that is the backbone of the next generation of the internet, often called Web 3. In the next minutes, we'll break down Ethereum, its currency Ether, ETH, and the technology that makes it revolutionary, smart contracts. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain. Think of the internet you use today. It's centralized. Companies with their websites, apps, or social media platforms own the servers and handle the data you provide. Ethereum offers a different approach. Ethereum is a blockchain, a digital ledger shared and duplicated across thousands of computers or nodes around the world. Every transaction or piece of code executed is recorded on this blockchain. Ether, ETH, the fuel. Every action you take on this global computer, sending a transaction, running an application, costs a small fee, paid in Ethereum's native cryptocurrency, Ether or ETH. This fee is called gas. Think of it as the gasoline that powers the Ethereum virtual machine, also known as EVM, the engine that runs all the code. Gas is paid to the network participants, called validators, who secure the network and verify all the transactions. Smart contracts, automated agreements. The true power of Ethereum comes from smart contracts. These are not legal documents. They are lines of computer code stored on the blockchain that automatically execute when specific pre-written conditions are met. Think of a traditional contract. You need lawyers, banks, or other middlemen to verify that all parties meet their obligations. Smart contracts are automatic or self-enforcing, allowing the agreement to execute itself without needing an outside person to manage it. Example, the automated property sale. Imagine a smart contract for buying a piece of digital art or even real-world property. For example, a smart contract might look like this. The code is written to say, if the seller's digital signature is confirmed and the buyer's full payment in ETH is received by the contract address, then the digital property title is instantly transferred to the buyer's wallet. If the conditions aren't met, say the amount paid is insufficient, the money is automatically returned. The transaction is instant, transparent, and absolutely no bank, notary, or lawyer is needed to hold the funds or verify the exchange. The code is designed to execute as intended, without error and every time. What you can build on Ethereum. Because Ethereum is programmable, developers can build almost anything on it. Smart contracts are the foundational components for a variety of decentralized applications, or dApps. This brings us to decentralized finance, commonly called DeFi. This is the biggest use case. DeFi aims to recreate traditional financial services like lending, borrowing, and trading without banks. To illustrate this, we can look at peer-to-peer loans. Instead of a bank, you interact with a smart contract. Someone puts up their ETH as a deposit. Another person borrows funds from the contract pool or digital reserve. The contract automatically manages the interest rate, handles repayment, and liquidates the collateral if the borrower defaults. The contract terms are public, and the rules are enforced by code, not a massive institution. Digital ownership, NFTs. Ethereum is the primary platform for non-fungible tokens. NFTs are simply smart contracts that represent unique ownership of a digital or physical asset. Consider the case of a musician's royalties. A musician could mint an NFT for their new song. The smart contract could be coded to automatically send 10% of every future resale or streaming royalty payment directly and instantly to the musician's wallet. No need for record labels or streaming services to process the payments. Now, Bitcoin versus Ethereum. If Ethereum is a cryptocurrency, how is it different from Bitcoin? This is the key difference. Bitcoin is primarily a store of value, like digital gold. Its main purpose is to be a secure, peer-to-peer electronic cash. Therefore, its blockchain only records transactions. Meanwhile, Ethereum is a programmable platform. It is designed to support a decentralized version of the internet. Its blockchain records transactions and also runs code, smart contracts. Think of it this way. If Bitcoin was a high-security digital calculator, Ethereum would be a powerful decentralized smartphone that lets you download and run thousands of different apps. The future of digital agreements. Ultimately, Ethereum is more than just another digital coin. It offers a new method for managing online interactions and agreements. By replacing intermediaries with transparent code, this architecture provides a more accessible and secure framework for digital interactions. That's it for this Ethereum Made Simple video. Now, if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of crypto and Web3. What complex topic should we explain next? Just tell us in the comments.